Today we are going to discuss about the working of rectifier. Rectifier is an electronic device which convert an alternating current into direct current by using one or more PN junction diode. Diode behaves as one wave valve that allows current flow in a single direction. This process is known as rectification. Rectifier may be of many types: full wave rectifier, half wave rectifier, and bridge rectifier.
Start.
Firstly, we will discuss about half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier is device in which one diode is used and one transformer is used. The transformer is of step down transformer type. The transformer convert 220 volt AC voltage into 9 volt and diode convert 9 volt AC into 9 volt DC, and the working of capacitor is to store the charge and discharge sternly to glow the light of half rectifier. Then we will discuss about full wave rectifier, the major difference. Now we will discuss about full wave rectifier. The major difference between half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier is that in full wave rectifier two diodes are used, but in half wave rectifier only one diode is used. The other apparatus used in full wave rectifier are transformer, which takes input 220 volt AC source and convert it into 9 volt. Then two diode convert it into the 9 volt DC, and capacitor working is to store the charge and discharge suddenly. Then our DC motor will start running, and this shows that full wave rectifier is working very properly. Then we will discuss about bridge rectifier. In bridge rectifier there is major difference that 4 diodes are used in this. The marking of diodes are 4007, and transformer used is also same as the half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier, which convert 220 volt into 9 volt AC, and then these 4 diodes convert 9 volt AC into 9 volt DC, and the capacitor working is to store the charge and discharge suddenly, and then our LED will start glowing. This shows that bridge rectifier is working very properly. Now we will operate full rectifier on 220 volt AC source. Now we on the 220 volt AC source. This shows that current is flowing in the circuit, but there is an amazing fact that when we touch these wires in the circuit from where current is flowing, we don't feel any electric shock. This is all due to the transformer, which convert 220 volt AC source into 9 volt. That is why we don't feel any electric shock while touching the circuit. So I am touching the circuit, and I don't feel any electric shock. This is due to the fact that transformer has converted 220 volt into 9 volt AC, and then diodes have converted 9 volt AC into 9 volt DC.